An engineer's signature is a promise of safety and competence. But what happens when that promise is broken? Today, we're diving into a shocking case of professional negligence that led to a massive engineering disaster. It all started when a company, let's call them Company WT, designed a huge steel water tank capable of holding 2,000 cubic meters of water. That's almost the size of an Olympic swimming pool. They hired engineer Kappa, a licensed professional in British Columbia, to review and officially seal the construction drawings. Engineer Kappa signed off, and the tank was built in South America. But the first time they tried to fill it, disaster struck. The tank failed catastrophically, unable to handle the immense water pressure. Spips. Imagine the force of all that water bursting out. It was a complete and total collapse. An investigation was launched, and what they found was stunning. The sealed drawings that engineer Kappa had approved were dangerously incomplete. They were missing absolutely critical information. Things like which design codes to follow, how far apart the structural bands should be, the size of the welds, and even the type of steel to use. There was no mention of how to handle forces from earthquakes, wind, or temperature changes. Basically, the blueprints were a recipe for failure. The investigation revealed that the actual stress on the tank S parts was way over the material S limit, which is why it ruptured. Even worse, engineer Kappa had skipped a mandatory review of the structural design before construction began. During the disciplinary hearing, engineer Kappa tried to defend himself. He claimed Company W asked him to leave out the details to protect their trade secrets, assuming the builders would get the information from the company's internal system. The disciplinary panel didn't buy it for a second. They made it clear that sealed construction drawings must be complete and stand on their own. You can't just assume people will find the missing pieces elsewhere. The fact that one drawing was labeled issued for construction while being so incomplete was just baffling. The panel's conclusion was firm. Engineer Kappa had demonstrated unprofessional conduct. An engineer SCL means they take full responsibility for the design S safety and compliance with all standards. You can't use confidentiality as an excuse to cut corners on safety. Adds. As a result, engineer Kappa faced serious consequences. He was ordered to undergo a year of peer review, complete a practice review program, and retake the professional practice exam. He also had to pay $30,000 towards the cost of the investigation. But the story doesn't end there. He failed to comply with these orders, and ultimately, his engineering license was suspended indefinitely. This case is a powerful reminder of the immense responsibility that comes with being a professional engineer. A signature isn't just a formality, it's a guarantee of public safety. Let me know what you think about this case in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of engineering.